Little Hotelier is marketed as an all-in-one hotel management system. But the real question is it actually worth using, or does it become frustrating once your property grows? Now, to be fair, Little Hotelier is one of the better-known PMS platforms for small properties, especially because it combines reservations, channel management, direct booking tools, and OTAs syncing into one system. What it does well: easy for small properties to manage bookings. Many owners say it simplifies reservations, room availability, and OTAs syncing across Booking.com, Airbnb, Expedia, and other channels. Good all-in-one setup for beginners. For smaller hotels and B&Bs, having booking management, payments, calendars, and channel management in one place is convenient. Where it falls short: the software can feel slow and clunky. This is the most common complaint. Multiple review sites mention lag, awkward workflows, and frequent refreshing during busy operations. The interface starts feeling limiting over time. Several hotel owners say the system works well initially, but becomes frustrating as operational complexity grows. Customer support gets mixed reviews. Some users praise support, while many others complain about slow responses and difficulty resolving technical issues. So, is Little Hotelier worth it? Short answer: yes, for many small hotels and B&Bs, but probably not for larger or fast-growing properties. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.